Hello everyone, this is Nimisha Tripathi and today we are going to talk about genome. So first of all, what is genome? So we can say the genome is the sum total of all the genetic materials present in an organism. Okay? So if we talk about organisms, organisms can be cellular or non-cellular. So in case of cellular organisms, the presence of genetic material will be occur and the genetic material will be DNA always. But in non-cellular organisms, the genetic material can be DNA or it can be RNA also, the genetic RNA. Okay. Now, अगर जेनेटिक नॉन सेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स की बात करें तो डीएनए का प्रेजेंस होता है इन केस ऑफ वायरस. हमेशा ऐसे हम लोग सुना करते हैं कि आरएनए वायरस, डीएनए वायरस. तो इन केस ऑफ वायरस द जेनेटिक मटेरियल विल बी डीएनए और आरएनए. In case of RNA, the virus contains RNA also, or in case of viroids, also genetic material is RNA. So in case of virus, it can be RNA or it can be DNA, but in case of viroid, it is RNA, and in cellular organism, always genetic material is DNA. Okay. Now, if we consider eukaryotes and prokaryotes, if this is an eukaryotic cell and this is for prokaryotes, so inside nucleus there is presence of genetic material, and other than this nuclear genetic material there is presence of chloroplast and mitochondria that also contains genetic material, and these genetic material known as extranuclear genetic material. Okay, and this is the case of eukaryotes. But in case of prokaryotes, there is the main genetic material. Other than this, there is presence of plasmids. Okay. Now, in case of eukaryotes, the nuclear chromosome अगर नंबर के बेसिस पे बात करें तो there is presence of three conditions, that is monoploid, diploid and polyploid. Okay, तो वन बाय वन समझते हैं. अगर हम मोनोप्लॉइड कंडीशन की बात करें तो देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ वन सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, लाइक if the chromosome, these are chromosomes, chromosome number 1 and 2. तो अगर मोनोप्लॉइड कंडीशन होगी देन इन दोनों के एक एक सेट प्रेजेंट होंगे एंड दिस इज डिनोटेड एक्स. ओके, बट इन डिप्लॉइड कंडीशन 2 sets of each chromosome will be present, that is these 2 sets. Okay, and this is the diploid condition. But in case of polyploid condition, more than 2 sets will be present, like in case of Triticum aestivum. Or Drosophila melanogaster, etc. These are polyploid condition. इनमें polyploid conditions present होते हैं. Like अगर this is the case, chromosome number 1 के more than 2 sets, 1 1 1 1, 2 के more than 2 sets. Okay, but this monoploid condition is different from haploid condition. You cannot say haploid and monoploid is same. Haploid condition को हम n से शो करते हैं, डिनोट करते हैं. Okay, तो what is haploid? The number of chromosomes present in gametes. कुछ केसेस में जैसे अगर यहाँ बात करें तो अगर x की बात करें एंड ऑल्सो n इक्वल्स टू 2, गैमेट्स में भी 1 1 2 होंगे, तो दिस इज द केस वेयर x एंड n इक्वल है, बट नॉट ऑलवेज. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम ये ट्रिटिकम एस्टिवम का केस ले रहे हैं तो दिस इज द हेक्साप्लॉइड कंडीशन. That is 6x equals to 42. 42 chromosomes होंगे, ठीक है. Then x will be but in the gametes में n क्या होगा, haploid condition जो इसकी होगी that will be 21. Here you can say x is not equals to n. तो ये हमेशा जरूरी नहीं है कि x and n की वैल्यू सेम हो. Haploid and monoploid conditions are different. This is the number of set of chromosome, single set, and this is the number of gametes. Okay. Similarly, अगर हम ड्रोसोफिला का केस लें, and n is also 4. So here x and n is equal. Okay. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much.